guys, Diana here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. This is their September box. Sorry, I am unboxing it late. I just got back from a 6-day, 5-night cruise. I will upload videos about that cruise in the next couple of days, so stay tuned for that. But I enjoy doing Boxycharm unboxing just because, you know, who doesn't like surprises? And this is, I believe, the best value for your money since you get at least 5 full-size products for only $25. And it tends to retail way more than that. So I highly recommend you guys go to Boxycharm website and check it out. They have 3 different boxes. This is the base box, and then they have their premium, and then their luxe, which is a quarterly box. Until then, let's open this up. So you open it up, it looks like this. This box theme for this month is called Strut Your One Way. You will always get a postcard in your box letting you know what each item is. The first thing I see is, it looks like a palette. Eyeshadow palette. So I think it's an eyeshadow palette. Yes, it is. It's from Ace Beauty Violet Stage Palette. So I'm assuming it has a lot of purple tones in here. Purple, lavender. So the MSRP on this is $32. It's a Boxycharm exclusive, apparently. Oh, it's cute. It's pretty. Oh, wow, yeah. Definitely. You see that? Pretty colors. I like the Cosmo, this color a lot. I feel like I use this color a lot right here. This one and this one and this one. I'm not really a green person, so this palette might go to one of my friends, to be honest, because I'm not a purple person, but it's such a beautiful palette. I'm pretty sure a YouTuber will swatch those. I don't want to swatch them if I'm going to give it out to somebody else. Purple's not really my thing, but I like the other colors in this palette. So that's pretty. So it, like I said, it retails for $32. Next I see is a SB2 by Sultra Rejuvenating Hair Serum. It's 2 fluid ounces. Let's open this up. This one, it says protect hair and reduce frizz with the Sultra Rejuvenating Hair Serum, infused with healthy ingredients to leave hair shiny and smooth. This serum will prevent your hair from damage and dryness. It retails for $45. Oh, it's pretty packaging. It's glass, actually. You guys hear it? I'm excited to use this. I like hair serums. So try that. Next, I see this little box. So this is from Give Them Lala Skin. It's a Coconut Kisses Nourishing Lip Mask. This nourishing lip mask provides your lips with ultimate hydration to leave them feeling soft and plump. A generous layer will before bedtime locks in moisture for refreshed, soft, perfectly kissable lips. Retails for $22. Oh my gosh, I think it's so small. How much is it here? 0.5 fluid ounces. Oh my gosh, I think it's so small. Honestly, I like the Patrick Ta one much more than this one, just because the Patrick Ta packaging is more luxury. This actually feels cheap. I'm not gonna lie. It smells good, but this is all you get, which is, you know, I guess it's a standard for lip mask, but for $22, I honestly just rather get Patrick Ta's lip mask because I've been using that from my other box and I absolutely love it. I'd probably buy another one of that. The next one, this is my choice item that I wanted. It is from Wonder Beauty. It's pretty popular with Boxycharms. You get a lot of Wonder Beauty in their boxes. This is the On the Glow Blush and Illuminator. I got the color Bear. So pretty much it's both sides. One side is a blush. You see that color? It's beautiful. Let me swatch it because I'm going to keep this. How you turn? Oh, there you go. You just see it goes back down. That's nice. Let me swatch it. Oh, that's a beautiful color. It's a cream blush. So you could use this on the cheeks, lips, eyes, which is nice. Wow, I didn't know that. Yeah, it's definitely very smooth. You guys can see I put on my finger. I could put on my lips, or it could be an eyeshadow too. That's beautiful. And next on the other side is a illuminator. So let me swatch that for you guys. Look how beautiful that is. You guys see it? It's right here. It's beautiful. Okay, I love this. So this, well, be careful when you close it because I just dinged it a little bit on the edges. This retails for $38. I highly recommend this one. Oh my gosh, so far I love it. Especially when you travel, you want to bring a blush and an illuminator. You get all in one. Next we have, which is the last item in the box. It's the Basic Beauty Gel Lip Liner Duo. These are supposed to be creamy, long-lasting, hydrating. They smoothly glide onto the lips and blend with little to no effort. It retails for $24. Let me see. Oh, it comes in two. Okay. A latte and cocoa. Oh, these are beautiful fall colors. Okay, this is cocoa. Oh, it does glide on easily. That's cocoa. These are great fall colors. Oh my gosh. And this is latte. Oh, that's pretty. These are beautiful fall colors. You guys see that? Wow. That is it, you guys. So far, I love everything in the box. I will give my eyeshadow palette to one of my girlfriends. But everything else, I'm excited to try. Thank you so much for watching. Until we talk again. Bye.